we can go.
Hi, it's Leona from the Jungle Farm, and I'm delighted to be here today to show you a little bit about planting your seeds. So remember in the last newsletter, it said to find an egg carton. So it needs to be a cardboard one, not a plastic one. So we've got our egg carton, and ta-da, we have actually cut off this little two components of it. And this is the piece we really want to use. So we're doing a reuse, and we're going to fill it up with soil. So soil needs to be some special potting soil that mom or dad is using, or grandma maybe, in their pots that they would have inside their house, or pots that they maybe hang outside. So it's not soil from your garden itself. It needs to be special potting soil because it's got these funky little white things in here, and that helps keep moisture in it and also keeps it aerated. So this is now got our soil is filled up, and I'm going to make little divots so that my seed fits nicely in its little spot and stays where I want it to be. If I don't do that, they might roll off. So we've got 3 seeds we're going to do. Let's start with a small one. So general rule of thumb, if the seed is small, this is the time to plant it. We don't want to plant things like pumpkins. Way too early for pumpkins. I have little tags so I know what the item is when it starts to come up. And because, a little bit of math here, I've got 12 slots and I've got 3 types of seeds. So we're going to put 4 cells are going to be seeds. So look at that tiny little tomato seed. We're growing Sweet Million, which is a cherry tomato. So I'm going to put 1 into each one of these little holes, and I've got to be really careful because I only want 1. You can see I've got way more than 4 in my hand. So I'm carefully putting 1 into each one of these slots. Then I'm going to make sure this is my name tag, and I am going to put the rest of the seeds in, and then I'm going to just gently cover those up so that I can't see the seed anymore. So I want them just a little bit of dirt put over top. And I'm going to do the exact same thing with peppers, but I'm not going to show you that because you've now seen it. But I am going to show you the onions only because they're really pretty. Look at those. So these are pelleted seeds, and onions that are pelleted are covered with clay. And the reason we do that is onions have a very weird shape. And for them to be planted, it's easier if they are covered with the clay because it makes them easy to pick up. And I've done the exact same thing with them. So now I'm going to water them. And when I water my plants, I'm going to water it really well so that actually even the carton might look a little bit wet. And then, I said I put them up, but I think I'm going to lay them like this. And then I'm going to put them in a reusable shopping bag. So that's why my tags need to be laying down. And I'm going to put the bag really well watered, kind of poof up the bag, and I'm going to put it underneath. And I won't need to water that again likely until I start to see little baby plants above the tops of the dirt. So these are going to be able to stay here in a nice sunny spot, nice warm spot until that comes up. And you know what? It may take 10 days to 2 weeks. So don't worry if you don't see anything. You can poke your finger in and check if it's still moist. And if it's moist, then you can just leave it as it is. And the outside of the bag may get a little bit of condensation on it from the water, but that's good. That means there's lots of water in there. And you just wait. It's now a waiting game. So you show me pictures of your little egg carton garden, and we'll share them with other people on our newsletter. See you next time.